Welcome back to Tapasya Institute. Students, this is SUHAS Koda, your chemistry master teacher. How are you, my dear students? How are you? I hope everyone is safe and doing extremely good, my dear students. And how was your preparation is going? I hope your preparation is going at next extremely high level, my dear students. Finally we done with the 2024 paper, 2023 paper, 2022 paper, 2021 paper, and now it's the time for your PYQ of 2020, means before COVID. We are going to the COVID time, not a before COVID, exactly COVID time, my dear students. On that time, we know, right? Recently, NTA announced a new question pattern, new paper pattern. Means what they are announcing? Nothing. Part A, part B is not there. Only one part. They are removing the 5 option questions here. In the case of that, option questions already removed. Only 45 questions you need to attempt all. 45. There is no option, guys. This is the clear. We are moving for that paper. Actually, in NEET 2020, we don't have any options questions. Okay. And also, my dear students, we must and should be know about another point. In the case of a 2020, 21, 22, we have an extra syllabus. We have an extra syllabus, my dear students. I already removed those questions. Okay, come on, let me move for the first question from your chemical bonding. And also, students, PYQs are very important. If you still not subscribe the channel, not like the video, then do first like, share, subscribe the channel. We are trying to help you guys. We are trying to help you to get 720 out of 70 from our Tapasya team. Stay with Tapasya, learn with Tapasya. Okay, if you have any suggestion or if you have anything, if you want to join us with an offline, in the video one number is coming, you can contact through with that number. Okay, then you can easily meet us in an offline form. Now, my dear Bacho, let's start with the first question. It is from your chemical bonding question. It is from bond parameters. We call it as a bond parameter. Bond parameter includes which of the bond parameter is nothing but bond length, bond order, bond dissociation energy or bond strength. These are very important. Correct now? This bond parameter, always they are asking one question, especially based on bond order. My dear students, look here. What is the bond parameters? We must and should be know about this. If the bond order is more, then bond dissociation energy is more, then it is inversely proportional to the bond length. This is the thing. This bond order, actually, this bond order, it is calculated by which formula? The formula, it is actually bond order based on your MOT, molecular orbital theory. What it will based on? Molecular orbital theory, my dear students. What is the formula of bond order? Bond order is equal to NB minus NA divided by 2. NB means what? Total number of electron present in a bonding orbit and the anti-bonding orbit. Correct now? We already know the question is very simple. In this, which of the molecule does not exist? Here we know, say bond order may be partial. When? In which condition partial? Resonance is happen. Sometimes it is partial. Similarly, my dear students, bond order, it is never be zero. Bond order means what? Between a two atom, how much bond is there? Correct now? That is only the bond order. Na? According to this, if the bond order is zero, then obviously molecule, it what? Not exist. We know, right? We know, right? For a, according to MOT, we have a one configuration. That configuration is very important, my dear Bacho. What is that configuration? We know, right? If the total number of electron in a molecule is less than 14, if the less than 14, we have another one, greater than 14, we have another one. Here we can easily say, sir, O2 and C2, it will exist, sir. We already know. We can't go with these two options. The answer is very simple. Without solving bond order also, you can easily say, sir, He2 is the answer. It not exists because it is a noble atom. Noble atom means it is always there as a like me single. It is always as a single, my dear student. It is always as a single. But calculate that value. If less than 14 now, what is the electronic configuration arrangement? First we need to fill for sigma 1s, then sigma star 1s. Correct? This is the actual form, sigma 2s, then sigma star 2s. But my dear students, if it's less than 14 now, then you need to introduce with a pi 2 px. Okay, pi 2 px, pi 2 py. Then after that you can come with a sigma 2 pz. Then after that pi star, then last sigma star. Here 4 electron He2, one helium 2, another helium 2. Here look here, 2 for the sigma 1s, 2 for the sigma star 1s. In the case of lithium, totally 3 plus 3, how much? 6 now. We are introducing with another one. Means 4 minus 2 by 2, it is nothing but 1. But in the case of a helium, my dear students, 2 electrons are present in a bonding orbital. 2 electron are present in a non-bonding orbital. Correct now? Anti-bonding, non-bonding means anti-bonding. Then Nb value is kitne? For helium, Nb is 2, Na is 2, overall divided by 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 0 divided by anything what? 0, sir. 0 divided by anything is 0. That's why helium, He2, it will never exist. Okay, I hope it's clear. My dear students, I hope it's clear. Let me know in the chat section it is clear or not. Guys, I already say more than thrice, I think, based on bond order. Okay, without T, SUHAS sir can't teach. Correct now. On SIP T, one question. On SIP T, one question. Okay. Okay, bacho. Shall we move for the next question, guys? Yes, come on. Let's move for the next question. Yes. The question is, find out the solubility. Okay, solubility means what? KSP. It is nothing but from your ionic equilibrium chapter. Look here, guys. Find out the solubility of NiOH2. Okay, nickel hydroxide. NiOH2. NiOH2. How it will ionize? It will ionize as a nickel. What is the charge of nickel? +2 plus 2 into OH minus. Means this is example for AB3 molecule, right? Here if you consider KSP or ionic product, KSP ionic product, how much? And also they are giving NaOH here. NaOH, how much? Na plus, OH minus. Here they are mentioning 0.1. We already know sodium hydroxide means NaOH. It is the base. Which base? Strong base. Means what? It will completely ionize. Correct now? If we have a 1 gram of sodium hydroxide, it is completely ionized. Due to that case, my dear bacho, look here. If you have a 0.1, then what you will get? Na plus 0.1, OH minus 0.1. Correct now? Here, you are getting a value of OH minus AB3. What is the relation? AB3. AB3, no, sorry, AB2, guys. AB2, not AB3, sir. AB2. Here, we know Na plus 2, it is S. 2OH minus, it is 2S. And also, whenever I take the class, I explain the ionic equilibrium in a class. I say you guys one important point. What is that important point? About common ion effect, CIF. What is common ion effect? If common ion is there, then what it will happen? OH minus also there here. In a mixture, OH minus also there here. Then we need to add for this OS minus 1. Correct now, OH minus means 0.1. You need to add for this one. In the case of ionic equilibrium, we already know they are mentioning what we need to find out. Here, that the ion, find out the solubility of NaOH. Now we need to calculate the solubility of NaOH. They are giving the ionic product. Ionic product. How much the ionic product? They are giving 2 into 10 power minus 15. This equal to ionic product means ions product. Means S into 2S plus 0.1. Why, sir, you are considering 0.1? Very simple, sir. Because common ion is there. If we have a common ion, what it will happen? That ion also contribute in that one, and what it will happen? Solubility decreases. This entire value, my dear bocho, entire value, it is approximately equal to 0.1. Common ion effect, due to common ion effect. What it will happen? Then its value become S into 0.1. Calculate, then tell me the answer in chart section, my dear bacho. S is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 15 divided by 0.1. Calculate and tell me the answer in the chart section. If you calculate this, you will get the option A, 2 into 10 power minus 13. What is the answer? 2 into 10 power minus 13. I hope it's clear. I hope it's clear. Sujata auntie is there in our office. She is the best auntie for me for cooking tea. She is very best. I hope it's clear. I hope it's clear, my dear bacho. Next, move for the next question. What is the next question? Actually, this question is also out of syllabus, P block elements, but easy question. We can easily say the answer. The question is, identify the correct statement from the following. We need to identify correct statement. CO2 is used as a refrigerant for ice cream and frozen food. It is true. And no, sir. No, wrong. Second one, the structure of C60 contains 12 6 carbon rings and 20. No. Actually, it will reverse. It will happen as a reverse. It is 6 carbon rings and 5 carbon. No, 12 not. It will happen as a reverse. It is wrong. Then ZSM5 is a type of zeolite, is used to convert alcohol into gasoline. Obviously, this is the industrial method. ZSM5. Correct. Then CO is colorless and odorless gas. Obviously, carbon monoxide is a colorless and odorless. You can easily say, sir, option D is the answer. But don't think too much about that question, my dear students. Why, sir? Because it is out of syllabus question. Yeah, just leave. Now, my dear students, let's move for the next question. It is also coming from your topic, ionic equilibrium only. The question is hydrolysis of sucrose. Okay, clear? Sucrose. Sucrose is nothing but what? It is a polysaccharide. Correct na? Glucose fructose is a monosaccharide. Whenever you hydrolysis now, you will get what? You will get glucose and fructose. It is a poly, means disaccharide. You can say as a disaccharide, means 2 units. Whenever you do hydrolysis in the presence of enzyme, like invertase enzyme, you will get glucose and fructose both. Again, we have a inulin, not a insulin. Insulin is completely different. Inulin is completely different. It is also a polysaccharide. You can take as a cellulose and other thing. Okay. See here, guys. This question includes organic chemistry as well as physical chemistry. Okay, include organic and the physical. My dear bacho, look here the question. Hydrolysis of sucrose is given by the following reaction. They mentioned this one. If the equilibrium constant is this one, look here, Kc value they are given, means those are at equilibrium. At temperature they are mentioning 300 Kelvin. The value of delta G at the same temperature will be, guys, one thing is clear. If you want to discuss the reaction if spontaneous or if the reaction is happening, example sucrose, yes, our body also dehydrolysis and the other thing, sucrose, we are taking a sucrose, metabolism, everything is happening, means this is must and should be spontaneous. Spontaneous means what? It must and should be continuous. It is not like non-spontaneous. Non-spontaneous is nothing but break by break. It must and should be continuous, my dear bacho. It must and should be continuous. Then delta G, it compulsory must and should be lesser than 0, means negative. Then you can easily remove these two options. By if you know this concept, you can easily remove those two. Then we have a remind with it these two. Everywhere they are mentioning in joule per mole per Kelvin, means universal gas constant R value. We already know what is the relation of delta G. Delta G is equal to, sir, delta G naught plus RT ln Kc. My dear students, we already know delta G, it is 0 in the case of equilibrium. Then we are only calculate delta G naught. Okay, delta G naught we calculate, delta G naught is equal to minus RT ln Kc. This formula where it will get minus RT ln Kc 2 into 10 power 13 is there. Correct now? That's why the answer is option A. Very easiest answer is option A. Hi Anand. Hi Anand, how are you? Clear this question, Anand? I hope it's clear, pa. I hope it's clear. Guys, still you are not like the video. Why you not like the video? I need the attendance. 3 watching is there. I need your support. If you give support now, we the entire Tapasya team come with a 40. We are planning for 48 hours marathon for your exams time. We are come with that one, but still see, we are putting so much content in the channel, but still no videos are getting good views because no sharing. No one know about that one. You need to share the channel, na? Yes. Shall we move for next question, guys? I hope it's clear. Next question. Okay, one of the easiest question. Actually, it is called a side wave preparation for the aldehyde molecule by using a HNU, means chlorination, guys. Look here. Tell me the answer. If its possibility is there, tell me the answer, guys. Easy question, na? Look here. Everybody look here. The question is very simple. Identify compound X. Done, sir, like it. Thank you so much. Look here, guys. Here you need to identify the compound X. Means this intermediate, the following sequence of reaction. My dear students, this is exactly from your aldehyde molecule, benzaldehyde. We have a few method of preparation. One is called as side wave by using Attard reaction. palladium catalyst, palladium in the presence of barium sulfate, Rosenman reduction, aldehyde preparation, we have a many method. My dear students, look here. They are clearly mentioning H nu. If they are mentioning H nu, then it is compulsory, or you can easily recognize this will undergo free radical mechanism. Instead of H nu, if they give AlCl3 or FeCl3, then it is nothing but substitution reaction, ring substitution. But my dear bacho, if they mention H nu, then free radical mechanism, what it will do? It will repress hydrogen molecule. I already give you one trick. If you have a toluene molecule, either you can choose etard means what? Chromial CrO to Cl2 na? In the presence of Ca2. What it will happen? Very simple. You need to remove the 2 hydrogen, then CHO, Cr, another O, H, Cl2, this is the thing. Overall twice, HCl overall twice, HCl2 overall twice you need to choose. Similarly, my dear students, for the X, here simply replace 2 hydrogen by a Cl2, then you will get the answer. Option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. This is the intermediate. Very simple, option C. Now, my dear students, next from your periodic classification of elements chapter, what is the question? Identify the incorrect match. Here they are giving a unilinium, unitarium, means what is the meaning of this one? Meaning of this one is nothing but IUPAC name and the official name. Here unilinium means 1, and nil means 0, and 101, yes, Mendelevium, correct answer na. Then again if you come for the next, nil, 3, 103, yes, Lawrencium, correct na, Lawrencium, Lawrencium, L, what, LR na, LR, actinoid series, last one. Then uninium, we have a uniaxium, uninil axiom means 106, it is also correct. But if you come for this now, 111, uni is there, 111, what is the official name of 111? It is called as a Ronteliginium, correct na, Ronteliginium, not a Dunstidium. Then the answer is option D is a wrong connection. Option D is the wrong choose of an official name. Okay, that's why the answer is option D. Option D. Next question. Okay, it is also from your chemical bonding. My dear students, if you solve the papers, if you solve the PYQs, then you can know about chemical bonding and the coordination compounds are little bit more important rather than the P block and the other chapter, because in these 2 chapters you can easily expect up to 6 to 7 questions from these 2 chapters. Okay, concentrate more on those chapters, because you guys are planning to become a doctor. You will become. Come on, let's move for the question. The question is, my dear students, which of the following set of molecules will have a zero dipole moment? Dipole moment. What is dipole moment? Mu. Mu is equal to Q into R, distance into charge. How much distance? Very simple. Here, my dear students, look here. Very simple. If, for example, ammonia is, you consider ammonia, 3 atoms are same. If 3 are same, moving with the same direction, then all will be cancelled. But the thing is, we have another lone period. If ammonia, it is always mu value is not equal to 0. Mu value is not equal to 0 is nothing but what? Polar. If mu is equal to 0, what? Non-polar. Means dipole moment is, it will never become 0 here in this case. Here, in option A, ammonia is there, option is wrong. And if you come for here, hydrogen fluoride, HF, okay guys. All halogen atom, especially between interhalogen or any atom, interhalogen is also not dipole moment. Example, HFHCl. This all are 100% ionized. This all is 100% ionized. Good morning, Abhi sir. How was the Josh? Josh is always high. I have a colleague like you guys. How the Josh will be less? I have a colleague like you. Guys, yesterday actually we went for a party. Shantanu sir birthday is there. No, okay. We already start the live stream in the channel also. Okay. We have a Shantanu sir ka birthday. Our Dr. Saab ka birthday. Guys, you are really lucky. You are learning from doctor itself. You want to become a doctor, then learn with a doctor also. We have a doctor. In no other institute, doctor is not there. Doctor is completely different. PhD holder is also called a doctor, but he is a proper doctor. Okay, हमारा डॉक्टर साहब है, हमारा डॉक्टर साहब का बर्थडे हो गया yesterday actually. Okay, come on, let's move. The question is next one. Nitrogen. Water is there. How can if water is there, it is a non-dipole moment? It is a polar molecule water. Then it have a dipole value. Dipole moment is there. Then the remaining option is only one. Option 4 is the answer. Look here. Boron trifluoride BF3 no lone pair. Obviously is non-zero dipole moment. Otherwise zero dipole moment. If we come for the next, beryllium difluoride BF2 has no lone pair. 0. 1,4 dichlorobenzene, obviously opposite charge, plane of symmetry, you can consider here same moment in opposite, cancel. Then is the last one, carbon dioxide, obviously it have it obviously absolute zero dipole moment. Then the answer is option D. Now my dear students, next move for the next question. It is from your electrochemistry. The question is on electrolysis of a dilute sulfuric acid using platinum. Where we seen this one for a SHE, guys? Standard hydrogen electrode, water molecule ionize. What it will happen? What is the product? Anode. Anode means gaseous releases. That is the important one. I will give you one trick, guys. Whenever they ask the electrolysis question, electrolysis is very simple. By using a electricity, we are doing the hydrolysis or anything, electrolysis like that. Here in this case, my dear students, very simple. Must and should be gas will be releases. Which gas will be releases here? Obviously easy, oxygen gas will be releases in the case of anode. Answer is option B. Without knowing, without thinking, you can easily say the answer. Next, move for the next question. It is from your organic, my dear bacho. The question is reaction between acetone. Okay, acetone. Let's write the structure of acetone. Acetone means ketone. CH3CO CH3, this is the acetone. Reaction between acetone and methyl magnesium chloride. Okay, methyl magnesium chloride, CH3MgCl followed by hydrolysis. Okay, reaction of aldehyde or ketone, what it will give? You will obtain alcohol. Which alcohol? If you have aldehyde, secondary, ketone, tertiary, answer is tertiary, my dear bacho. How it will get? Come on, let's do the reaction. Here in this case, what we will get? It will ionize as a CH3 minus because metal always carries positive charge. This CH3 minus, it will attack for the carbon because carbon in the case of a carbonyl molecule, carbonyl compound, carbon have a deficiency in their electron. That's why like this. Further on, what it will happen? This bond it move here. Why? Oxygen. It is a electron rich people. Then what it will get? If they have a rich now, they will accept the money. They are not giving the money most of the time. They will easily. If you are give money, then give here. Okay. Then what it will happen? O minus. This O minus, it will attack from this one. Opposite charges attract each other. Then what we will get? We will get CH3, CO, MgCl, Then here we have a CH3. Here again we have a CH3. Then further on, you will get alcohol. This is alcohol. It's the tertiary butyl alcohol. Oh yeah, tertiary butyl alcohol. 1, 2, 3. No guys, wait. No, it is not the tertiary butyl. Why sir? Look here guys. Everybody look here. I will write the product here. CH3, CE, CH3, CH3OH. Yes, obviously it is a tertiary. But tertiary A, correct answer. Answer is correct guys. Tertiary butyl alcohol, option C. Tertiary compound. Tertiary you will get. Write the tertiary one, then you will clear that one. Because you can't write a isopropyl. Actually, no, not tertiary butyl. It is a isobutyl. Because in the case of the tertiary, you need to consider the methyl substitution. But isobutyl, answer is option D, not 3. Option D. Look, okay, think about that. Next question. It is from your P block elements again. Okay, look here the question. Which of the following have O linkage? Answer is H2SO8. How it will get? S double bond O we have. Here we have a O between the two molecules, double bond O, OH. This is the actual structure of the molecule. The answer is peroxo disulfuric acid. It is a compound containing OO bond. Next question. Which of the following will give the carbonyl test? Carbonyl test is nothing but what? Carbylamine test. Carbylamine test is nothing but what? Whenever you have a primary amine molecule, it will undergo reaction. Primary amine molecule undergo reaction in the presence of chloroform plus aqueous KOH. What you will get? Chloroform plus aqueous KOH, what it will get? You will get the RNC molecule, isocyanide you will get. Here, which is the primary? Aniline is the primary. The answer is option A, or answer is option A. Okay, answer is option A. Actually, it is alcoholic, not a aqueous one. Alcoholic KOH, guys. Remember that one. Next, my dear students, next question is the calculated spin only magnetic moment of chromium plus 2 ion is. What is the question? Spin only magnetic moment means mu value. Mu is equal to what? Under root of n into n plus 2. N is number of unpaired electrons. What is n here? Number of unpaired electrons. My dear students, chromium. What is the atomic number of chromium? It is 24. We know chromium and the copper is the exception. Then you can easily remember the atomic number. Chromium and the copper is the exception. You can easily remember the atomic number. Chromium, what is the electronic configuration? Argon 3d 5 4s1. This is the exception of the chromium. Correct? A chromium exception. 3d 5 4s1. If you come with the 3d5 4s1, my dear bacho, look here. You are removing 2 electrons, right? Means one from the S, one from the D. Then for a Cr plus 2 ion, how many suborbit we have? A 5. In those 5, we already removed 1 electron. Then how many we have? How many remember? Remember 4. How many remember here? 4. Okay, then n is equal to 4. Apply for a 4. 4 plus 2. 6 into 4 is nothing but under root of 24. Under root of 24 is nothing but what? If you want to calculate that one, 3 square is nothing but 9, not 4 square. 4 square 16. 5 square is at 25. Then the answer is option B. 4.90 you will get approximately. Correct now, 4.90 you will get. That is the answer. Answer is option B. Okay, next question. From your physical chemistry, from thermodynamics chapter, the question is the correct option for free expansion of an ideal gas under adiabatic. My dear bacho, adiabatic means what? Adiabatic process or the adiabatic condition means Q value, no exchange of heat. Then option 3 and 4 is wrong. In the adiabatic, and also they are saying that free expansion, my dear students, for a free expansion, what is the work done? Work done is equal to minus P into delta V. Here delta V become free expansion 0. Then the work done is 0. Then the answer is option A. You can easily say option A is the correct answer. Which is the condition? Q is equal to 0, delta T is equal to 0 and W is equal to 0. Okay. Next question from your solution chapter. Next question from your solution chapter, my dear students. Question. The freezing point, depression constant, they are giving Kf value. Kf is not Kingfisher, my dear bacho. Kf is depression freezing constant. What it will happen? Depression means what? Depression means not the diplomation. Our Reshma auntie, famous Insta, correct na? No diplomation. Depression means whenever you add the non-volatile solvent. Means solute is more higher number, solvent is lesser number. Non-volatile solute. For a solution, if you add non-volatile solute, what it will happen? Freezing point decreases. If you plot a graph, what it will get? You will like this, you will come like this. Freezing point of the solution decreases, then solvent first it will depress, or first it will freeze, then after that solution is coming. Freezing point of the solution decreases means freezing, it will act, we require more temperature, we need to less the more temperature on that time. What it will happen on that time? We produce a one relation on that case. How to calculate delta TF? Delta TF is nothing but T of solvent minus T of solution, means temperature at which solution will freeze, temperature at which solvent will freeze. Okay na? This value delta TF is equal to what? Kf into m, molality. Molality, here my dear students, we know instead of molarity we come with a molality. Why? Because molality is independent of temperature, but molarity is not. Molality is independent of temperature, my dear students. Molarity is not. That's fine. That's fine. In this case, look here, delta TF is equal to Kf into m. Kf value they are mentioning here 512. Okay, the freezing point depression for the solution of a molality they are mentioning how much? 0.078. Then containing non-electrolyte solute in the benzene is a decimal. You can calculate the value. How much you will get? 512 into 0.078. How much you will get? Let me know in the chat section, my dear bacho. Let me know in the chat section. Okay, you will approximately get as a 0.8 Kelvin. The answer is 0.4, 0.6. Then the answer is option D. Okay, this question. Next question. Okay, it is also from your physical chemistry, Faraday. Question is very simple. The number of Faraday required to produce 20 gram of calcium from molten CaCl2. Guys, Faraday they are asking F value. This F we know it is completely depending upon the equivalent weight. Faraday is nothing but what? The energy. It is approximately 1 Faraday is equal to 96,500. Na? We will round up like this. Means what is this one? How much equivalent electrons or the energy Faraday is required to displace the equivalent copper or any calcium or anything. CaCl2. What is the N factor? N factor is 2. Charge is 2. Charge na ion means N factor is nothing but charge only. Plus 2 is there, N factor. Then CaCl2. Okay, calcium. They are giving the molecular mass of a calcium. What is the equivalent mass of a calcium? Is 20. Equivalent mass of a calcium is 20. Because 40 by 2, it will become 20 equivalent weight. Then my dear students, they are asking about 20 gram from CaCl2. They are displacing CaCl2 for 20 gram. Means 20 by 20. How much Faraday you require? 1 Faraday required to displace or the required to produce calcium from molten CaCl2. How much? 1 Faraday. Means very simple. CaCl2 ionize, it will happen. Ca 1 Faraday means equivalent weight. We will getting that one. That's why the answer is this one. I hope it's clear. Now the next question from your organic chemistry. The question is very simple. The question is, my dear students, reaction between benzaldehyde. Here look here, benzaldehyde, the first important thing. They are giving a dilute NaOH. My dear students, there if they mention concentrated NaOH means Canizero, then remove the Canizero reaction. Dilute NaOH they are mentioning. And also we must and should be know about dilute NaOH. Whenever you have a dilute NaOH, very simple, it will undergo aldol condensation, but for aldol condensation alpha hydrogen required. Here alpha hydrogen is there. In benzaldehyde there is no alpha hydrogen. Next, acetophenone they are mentioning. Acetophenone, guys. Acetophenone. pH means benzene thing. You must and should be know. But here alpha position mein hydrogen we have. We have a hydrogen in alpha position. Then what it will happen? Here CH2 minus enolate ion forming. It will attack here. Then what we will get? We will get the intermediate alpha beta unsaturated following. If we eat the molecule, water dehydration is happen. What we will get? We will get the reaction. But what is the name of the reaction? Name of the reaction not a aldol. It is a cross aldol. Cross between the two molecules. Cross we are doing. Okay. It is aldol. Obviously aldol, guys. Obviously aldol. But best example for cross aldol, my dear bacho, cross aldol. Clear? Next question. From your again organic chemistry question. The question is paper chromatography is an example for which type of chromatography? Obviously we have a thin layer column also. That one we have a two type, adsorption and the partial. Answer is partial. Just leave partial. Theory questions. Okay guys, always I am suggesting you first complete your bio paper, then come for the chemistry, then last go for the physics, because chemistry is always your saver. Okay, if you done out of out in chemistry and bio, you will approximately get 540. Then you can easily score 120. Already Abhi sir say in one video, I think Abhi sir know, whenever he take a class, I will ask him to tell the video name. On that video he say that if you concentrate on only which concept, you can easily score 120 plus. If you score 120 plus, you will get your seat in Karnataka. We have a 12,000 seats in Karnataka, 13,000. We need to get the seats, guys. We need to compete with the other people. Okay. Next question. An increase in the concentration of the reactant of a reaction lead to change in heat of reaction. Just leave heat of reaction. No need of explanation for that question. Next question, my dear students, very simple. A tertiary butyl carbocation. Okay. This is a tertiary butyl carbocation. Stable in the secondary. This is the secondary. Tertiary is stable in the secondary because minus A effect, no. Plus R effect, no. Minus R, no. Everything is happened. CH3, it is also one of the donating group, my dear bacho, means plus I or minus plus N. Okay. Mesomeric, where you exactly considering mesomeric? Sir, mesomeric, we are always considering for the cyclic compounds like benzene and the benzene derivative. Then remove the mesomeric here, mesomeric or R effect, resonance, remove these two effects. Either option. Arey baba, minus I naught. We know, my dear students, whenever if you want to describe or if you want to arrange the carbocation stability, please follow this method. Follow this thing. First, you must and should be go with the resonance. More resonating structure or more canonical structure, more stable. Then hyperconjugation. After resonance, hyperconjugation. After hyperconjugation, inductive effect. This is the carbocation stability order. Answer is very simple. Hyperconjugation, my dear students, hyperconjugation is the answer. Now again, continuously they are asking organic now. The question is elimination reaction of 2-bromopentane to pen-2-ene. 2-bromopentane to pen-2-ene is nothing but beta elimination. Yes, follows dates of rule obviously. Then the dehydrogenation reaction, but dehydration not. Here the answer is ABC. Without saying, you can easily give the answer. Now, my dear students, next move for the next question. The next question is the mixture which shows positive deviation from Rod's law. What is Rod's law? Solubility is directly proportional to the partial pressure, or partial pressure is directly proportional to the mole fraction. We can say like that. Whenever if you say that when a positive means more than expected, we expected some na PS is equal to, what is PS is equal to PA plus PB. Correct na? PS is equal to PA plus PB. PA means PA is nothing but what? Chi A into P naught A, Chi B into P naught B. We have a mathematical form. We are expecting that. Correct now. If this pressure of the solution, if we expect something but it's more than the theoretical value, then it is positive. I already say you guys, for this very simple example, you can take a alcohol. Alcohol is common. Alcohol plus acetone. Benzene, toluene, no. It is, for example, for ideal solution, acetone chloroform, yes, it is a non-ideal but negative deviation. Chloroethane, bromoethane, same family members, it is always give a ideal. Benzene, toluene, methanol, ethanol. But whenever you add ethanol, acetone, you will get this one. Acid plus water, it is best example for your negative deviation. Okay, this is positive deviation. If you, next question. Which of the following is the correct? It is from your inorganic. See those people, NTA people arranging with the syllabus pattern only. Oh my god. The question is, my dear students, you need to arrange this one. The question is field strength. We already know. What is the trick? First, allo-based, halogen donors. Next, oxygen, nitrogen, then carbon. Here, carbon is must and should be Cn minus. We know it is strong, but F minus wrong. C2O4 2 minus wrong. Correct na? SCN is low. SCN is low. Then after that F minus. Here look here, in this question we have a two option, F minus SCN minus C2O4. The answer is option A, easy one. Option A, what we call isoelectronics, not isoelectronics, spectrochemical series. Arrangement of ligands depends upon their splitting character, splitting ability. Okay, increasing splitting ability. Next question. Which of the following is a basic oxide? Basic, yaar, lysine, yaar. Easy question. Ammonia, it contains ammonia, then obviously lysine. Lysine is the answer. Next question. Sucrose on hydrolysis gives. Now recently only we discussed sucrose, glucose plus fructose, same paper, glucose plus fructose, but alpha D, alpha 1,4. Beta linkage is there now, answer is C. Then after that, my dear students, Okay, we are come with a few problems only. Next question. Next. Look here, the following metal ion activates many enzymes, participates in the oxidation of glucose to produce ATP, and with the Na is responsible for transcript. Arey baba, potassium ye bhai, potassium. Easy question, basic question for the bio people. You are bio people, you can easily say the answer. What is potassium? Next question. It is from your atomic number. The number of proton, neutrons and electron in this molecule. We already know, they are not mentioning a charge. Already our Plumpudding model, who give J.J. Thomson, father of electron, he said total number of electron, how much total number of electron is there, that much proton we have. Means here low value according according not atomic number 71 is the atomic number, 71 electron ho gaya. Then 175 minus 71, 514, 770, 104. Yes, electron. The answer is option A. Baby question. Baby question. This is called as a baby question in chemistry. Next question. What is the change in oxidation number of a carbon in the following reaction? Very easy at one. Here, look here. Hydrogen compared to carbon. Whenever we calculate the oxidation number, we are choosing the value of the hydrogen depends upon the electronegativity. Because except in metal, in all cases, hydrogen carries +1. Correct now? +4 this side, -4, -4 to +4. Answer is option C. Normal question, boys. Normal question. Next question. Identify the incorrect statement. Chromium is a stronger reducing agent than S. Obviously. Stable configuration. The transition metals and their compounds are known as for their catalytic S. Pakka. Catalytic activity. Next, interstitial compounds are those that are formed when small atoms like S. The crystal, correct. The oxidation state of chromium ion are not the same. Arey bhai saab. Chromate and dichromate ion mein the oxidation state is common. It is +2 oxidation state. Everywhere it is common. The answer is, this is the answer. Wrong answer. Oh no. Answer is wrong. +6 sorry. Chromium +6 stable. That's fine. Answer is option 4 is the incorrect. Next question. Here they are giving the gas. Here 2 chlorine molecule, actually they need to mention the minus symbol. They are forgot to print out the 2Cl minus Cl2. The correct option is, guys, very simple. Gas is releasing means spontaneous reaction. Spontaneous is nothing but what, my dear bacho? It delta H must and should be less than 0. Delta is positive on for this case. Then option C is the correct answer. Next, move for the next question. Match the following oxide to nature. Here, guys, for this one, you need to calculate oxidation number. If oxidation number increases, then the amphoteric nature increases. Al2O3 amphoteric, we already know. CO, it is the neutral. Okay. A get 2 means option B. A get 2, B get 1. S barium oxide 1 because -2 oxidation state. Then my dear bacho, Cl2O7 as acidic. You can easily say, sir, non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. Non-metallic oxide is nothing but acidic. Metallic oxide is nothing but base. Very easy. Answer is option B. Next question. It is from your first order reaction. Okay, we have still few questions. I think 4 questions is left, my dear bacho. Another 5 to 10 minutes. I will end the live session. The question is, look at the question. The rate constant for a first order reaction is 4.60 10 power minus 3 per second. They are giving the rate constant K value. How much? 4.606 into 10 power minus 3 per second. By sub they are giving a per second. Per second is nothing but what? Which rate constant? Which is example for, I don't know. Array by first order reaction example. Per second, mole per liter and per second if it comes first first order, like that we are saying that. Look here my dear students, look here. K is equal to 4.606, they are giving per second first order. Then time required to reduce 2 gram the reactant to 0.2 gram. Initial 2, final 0.2. What is the relation? T is equal to 2.303 divided by 4.606 into 10 power minus 3. Log of 2 divided by 0.2 is nothing but 10. Log 10 value 1. If you calculate this value in a second, you will get 500 seconds. 500 second is the answer. You will get 500 second. Relation. Next question, my dear Bhai Sahab. Next question. An alkene on ozonolysis give methanol. Bhai Sahab, they are mentioning methanol. What is the molecular formula of methanol? Means formaldehyde. Correct na? I already say you guys, whenever the terminal alkene molecule is there, you will get the formaldehyde. Look here, terminal alkene is there here. Here cut it, add it with a O. This is the answer, option C. For a ozonolysis, by sub, simply cut that one. Simply cut that one, then give the answer. Very simple. Cut it and add the oxygen, then you will get the answer. Clear? Clear, my dear students? I hope it's clear. Next question, again from the organic. Which of the following alkane cannot be made in good yield by Woods reaction? Very simple. They are asking about the Woods reaction in this case, which is not suitable. We already know Woods reaction, it is mainly used to prepare symmetrical alkane molecules. By using a alkyl halide, what you will do, you will take a alkyl halide in the presence of sodium dry ether, you will get an alkane molecule. It will follow free radical. How it will get RX, R radical, X radical, do RS, RR molecule joining, you will get the answer. The question here, which is not get. Here hexane, yes you can. Dimethyl butane, yes you can, but aptane means 7 carbon aptane. 7 you can't, because here symmetrical you can. Unsymmetrical alkanes you can't. Unsymmetrical alkanes, which method? You can go with the Corey-Haus method. Corey-Haus, okay, that's the thing. Answer is option C. Last question of today's 2021 paper, my dear students. Sorry, not a 2021, 2020. The chemistry remaining with a 2019 paper. We discussed that paper also. After that, we are going to helpful for the KCT people also here. We are going to helpful for the KCT people, for our students, Tapasya students. Question: anisole on cleavage with HI gives. My dear students, anisole means ether molecule. What is the anisole formula? OCH methoxy group for the benzene. Anisole na ether. What it will happen, I always say you guys, we can't break the OH bond from the benzene. Why? Because partially what it will happen, it will involving in the resonance, you will get the answer. Phenol is the answer. Phenol plus CH3. The answer is option A. It will follow SN2 mechanism whenever it is phenol. If it's have a anisole, then if you use excess molecule or less molecule, phenol is the product. Very simple. Okay, finally we're done with the 2020 paper, guys. 2020 paper is finally done. My dear students, we already completed 2020, 21, 22, 23, 24. I hope all the subjects also completed today. Today we will max to max. We will cover your entire NEET 6-year PYQs, my dear bacho. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Love you all. Thank you so much for watching the video till end. My dear students, this is your SUHAS Gowda, your chemistry master teacher. Always in the live stream with a beautiful smile. Love you all. Thank you so much for watching the video till end. If you still not the mark the attendance, and also please subscribe and put the bell button on. Okay, bye guys. Love you all. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Bye. Take care.